Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply B5 serum. First, always begin with a freshly cleansed face. This ensures your skin is free of impurities and ready to absorb the serum effectively. Next, make sure your skin is slightly damp, not soaking wet, as this helps the serum penetrate deeper. Finally, dispense about 2 or 3 drops of the serum onto your clean fingertips, preparing for the next step. Now, with the serum on your fingertips, gently pat it all over your face and neck. Use light, upward and outward motions to ensure even distribution across your skin. Remember, the goal is to gently press the product into your skin, not to rub it in harshly. This technique helps the serum absorb without causing any unnecessary friction or irritation. After applying the serum, give it a moment, about 1 minute, to fully absorb into your skin. You'll feel your skin becoming soft and hydrated. Once absorbed, follow up with your favorite moisturizer to seal in all that beneficial hydration. If it's daytime, always remember to finish your routine with a broad-spectrum sunscreen to protect your skin from sun damage. Incorporating B5 serum into your routine offers fantastic benefits. It deeply hydrates and plumps your skin, making it feel incredibly soft and supple. This serum also works to improve your skin's natural barrier and elasticity over time. For optimal results, you can apply B5 serum once in the morning and once in the evening, consistently, every single day.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.